Hannah Brown just got real about her struggles in a vulnerable new post. It's no secret Hannah went through a lot this year. I mean, between becoming the Bachelorette, breaking off an engagement, shooting her shot on live television with her runner-up, and then finding out her runner-up started dating a supermodel. I mean, it's just been a lot. And Hannah is not hiding the fact that she's struggling with it. In fact, in a new lengthy Instagram post, she opened up about it all, writing, quote, "Honesty policy, I'm struggling. Life is so different since last August. I've been a pageant queen, a Bachelor contestant, and a Bachelorette. I've been in love with multiple people, I got engaged, I broke off an engagement, and I shared it all with millions of people." Hannah's post went on to mention how she's been judged and labeled by thousands of people who don't know her for her own personal decisions, and how it's hard for her to keep up with her own life right now, let alone keep the people she's closest to in the loop, writing, quote, "I feel guilty because I don't have the time or emotional capacity to fill each of them in on my life right now. I can't keep up with the people that matter most because I can barely keep up with my own life right now." In the post, Hannah also made it clear this is not her complaining, and all of these experiences helped her become who she is today. She's grateful for everything, but understandably, she feels a bit overwhelmed. She concluded the post talking about her faith, writing, quote, "I'm just gonna give over the keys to my main man Jesus and let him bless me through this ride." I love that Hannah is being so honest with her followers, especially since she's opened up in the past about her tendency to want perfection all the time. So the fact that she's able to be like, yeah, I'm struggling, says a lot about who she's become through her journey as a Bachelorette. But on that note, you guys, that is all the news I have to share with you. What did you think of Hannah's post? Let me know down in the comments below. Then click right over here for a new video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. As always, I'm your host, Renee Ariel. Follow me on socials at Renee Ariel, and I'll see you guys next time.